ProClip AI Studio Review. Hey there, welcome to my review of ProClip AI Studio. We are going to dive into the members area to look at how you create these faceless videos, and we'll also give an example of what these videos look like and discuss the pros and cons of this approach. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this from home for over 10 years now, which has been really cool. So I've seen lots of different systems come and go in that time. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research ProClip AI Studio Reviews. Also, if you want to discover my #1 system to plug in to right now, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my #1 system for generating realistic income online. It's a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those consistent commissions coming in. So check out that link in the video description for my top recommended online system. And make sure that's the webtraffictoolkit.org link on the official Web Traffic Toolkit Reviews channel. So with ProClip AI Studio, basically what it is, it's a software tool for creating faceless videos using AI, so you don't have to speak on camera, you don't have to show your face either. You can be done completely anonymously with AI for your video marketing, and a lot of these videos will be the more short form video content you can use for TikTok, for example. If you want to do longer form videos, you can do that for YouTube, but sometimes it's a bit more complicated with AI for the longer form content, but you can also do that if you choose. And basically, that's what ProClip AI Studio is about. Personally, I do think it's still better to either have your full face and voice on camera, or at least just your voice, and then you can share your screen, or you can have some sort of presentation playing whilst you speak, because that just builds more trust and authority and transparency with your audience. And I think you'll find it easier to build your channel and actually make sales when you are at least using your own voice. If not both, just builds that trust and authority. But for people who truly want to remain anonymous, or if what you're marketing isn't necessarily brandable to you as an individual, so it doesn't make much sense for you to reveal who you are, then ProClip AI Studio could be a good starting point for these anonymous, faceless videos, which you quickly crank out using AI. Let's take a look inside the members area. Basically, you enter a prompt at the top in terms of what type of video you're looking for, such as fitness tips, and then you select the background music you want, and then you select the voiceover artists that you are looking for. And then basically they've got this kind of like slide-by-slide tool where they've written a script for you, and they will read out that script with an anonymous voiceover artist, and then periodically you'll have a new stock image relevant to your prompt and your niche, which will change every few seconds whilst the script is still being read by the AI voiceover agent. And then you can come into this slide-by-slide editor, and you can tweak the text if you want to change the script, and just edit it, drag and drop editor, slide by slide, if you want to change how it looks. And that's basically what it does. It takes a prompt, simple input, a prompt, voiceover artist selection, background music selection. You've got this slide-by-slide drag and drop editor. You can change the timings of when the photo changes, what the script is, any animations, so you can actually have the camera kind of like panning around the stock image to make it look like it's moving a bit even though it's not. And there's quite a lot of customization you can do with this drag and drop editor. You've also got animation, so you can change the color of the text as it's being read out. So as it's being read, it can change colour to be in time with when it's being read out, and that's quite clever, and that's quite engaging, and I see that effect used quite often on TikTok. So this is what the video looks like. It's just stock footage in the background, text appearing over the top of the screen, and then the AI voiceover artist reading that text-based script. I think it looks quite good with the stock footage, the stock images rather. They look high quality and professional. The subtitles look really good and professional over the top. And then the voiceover artist, it will take a bit of tweaking to find one that's kind of natural. Some of them sound a bit unnatural and quite robotic, and some of them are more natural sounding. So just tweak and test with the different AI voiceover agent artists to see which makes the best fit for you. Also on the sales play page, they've got some other examples of what these type of videos can look like. And basically, it's the same. It's stock footage, stock background image, and then you've got the text overlaying, and then an AI voiceover artist reading from the text. The text looks high quality, actually. It's quite good graphics, and you can just change the text, change the colouring, and it does look quite professional. So I think this is one of the better ways to churn out faceless videos when you're using stock images or stock footage as the background, and then you've got the text overlaying and a voiceover artist reading from it. I think that is quite a good way of getting these videos done quickly. I think to improve it, it would be better to possibly use stock footage as the background, not images, because it's got the moving kind of effect, because they've got almost the effect that the camera's moving and panning or zooming in on the image to give it some sort of motion, but it's not quite the same stock footage. So something that integrates in with, say, Storyblocks, for example, which is a popular stock footage membership, that would be better to have actually moving stock footage in the background, and then the text, and then the voiceover artist appearing over that. I think that could make it better. But there's both pros and cons of this approach. If you want to do anonymous, faceless AI video marketing, I think ProClip AI Studio is a really good starting point. I still think it's worth investigating, either showing your face and speaking naturally on camera yourself, or doing a screen share video, a PowerPoint presentation, and recording that. Those can help boost conversions with your channel and help build your channel more quickly. But if you're really going down the anonymous, faceless route, then ProClip AI Studio is likely to be a good starting point. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my thoughts. If you want to discover more about how I generate a realistic full-time income online, and my #1 system for plugging into right now for that, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my #1 system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So check out that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. And be sure that's the Web Traffic Toolkit link on my Web Traffic Toolkit Reviews channel. All the best, guys, and speak soon.